with Soko Customs YouTube channel. 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. What we did, we went up 6 inches on the rough country kit. If you want some details on the fitment, we'll put that card up in the top of the screen. Go ahead and click that, and that should answer most of your questions about what fits on this new 2019. So if you want to come over to the side here, we went up 6 inches, put it on 20 by 10 Mayhem wheels. Those are the Rampage. Those have a -25 offset. We wrapped those in AMP ATP tires, so again, good all-terrain tires. We've done a couple of videos on those, so if you're curious, go ahead and check those out. So these running boards came on the truck from the dealership. I really like these tubular running boards, especially with the black on black. They keep rocks off of your rocker panels, which is definitely really nice. The kit brought the rear end up 6 inches. It keeps it nice and level, but with how tall that front hood is, it gives it a little bit of a squat look to it. So this one came with the cameras in the mirrors. We were actually playing around with those to get it on the alignment rack, which is really cool. We'll just B-roll that on there. And as I've said with these trucks, they did a really good job on the front end. It seems like they're trying to bring back the cat eye look. So if you like what you see, definitely give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll be bringing a lot more 2019 Silverado content to you.